Hello, Great Falls, Montana. I had the chance to visit your beautiful city back in 2008, and I recently received a letter from one of your neighbors, Shannon Kildare. Shannon wrote about how the Affordable Care Act helped her get the health insurance she needed so that she could focus on caring for her ailing mother and her daughter. That's what this law is all about. If you or someone you care about hasn't gotten covered yet, now is your chance. With a few clicks on healthcare.gov, you can compare private insurance plans and choose the one that's right for your family. In fact, most folks can find an option that costs less than $50 a month. But you only have 8 weeks until the deadline. And if you want coverage starting on January 1st, you need to sign up by December 15th. Here's something to sweeten the deal. Great Falls is one of 20 cities participating in our Healthy Communities Challenge to see how many of your neighbors you can get signed up. I'll visit the community that enrolls the highest percentage of folks who aren't covered this year. And I would love to come back to beautiful Big Sky Country. Thanks, everybody.